This is my FlySky i6 transmitter, which has been flashed with a 14 channel new firmware, which has lots and lots of features, and it is currently binded with a very cheap mini PPM and S-bus receiver. This receiver has 4 output pin: ground, VCC, PPM out, and the other pin is S-bus out. So it is currently, and I have given the S-bus output from this receiver, mini receiver, to this Toolkit RC M5, and it is currently monitoring all the channels. Okay, okay, this will go on another page, because at the moment on this first page only 8 channels are coming. Okay, let me uh, go to the next page. Okay, yeah, now 8 and 9 channels are there. So yeah, this is 9 and this is 10. So channel number 11, 12, 13 and 14 have not been mapped, because there is no switch or variable port on FlySky i6 transmitter, uh, which can be assigned to those additional 4 channels. So two channels, 4, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10. So at the maximum, this transmitter can have 10 channels, but it has got PPM. The transmitter has got PPM input from the trainer port, and that PPM can be provided by another transmitter's output, either via wire cable or via a similar kind of mini PPM or S-bus receiver, so that this one transmitter having 10 channels is controlled by the pilot, and the other transmitter can be controlled by a cameraman, who can pan and tilt the camera and switch on and off video or whatever he likes. So this is really nice mode, great.